Hey everyone, I'm Matt with Ecom Circles, and I wanted to walk you through how to install and use our WFS profit calculator, also named the Walmart calculator. So here I am on the Chrome page. You can do this just by searching WFS calculator. It does work for both WFS and for seller fulfilled, just so we're clear. As you can see, we do have over 4,000 weekly users that use this, and so you would just come here and you would click the button. Currently I have it installed already, so it's going to tell me to remove it, which I don't want to do, but if you were new, it would say to install it. So go ahead and click on that button. It works for Chrome, it works for Edge, it works for Brave, and it works for Firefox, though Firefox is obviously on a different page. Alright, so once you've installed it, just go ahead and navigate over to Walmart and just type something in. So we might try microphone, and just go ahead and do a search, and then go ahead and pick up a project page. So let's say I was sourcing and I wanted to, let's see here. Let's say I was sourcing this Logitech microphone, and I was able to buy these on clearance from Amazon or something, right? So I'd come over here, I'd be able to put in my price. So let's say I could get these for $92.12, $92.12, right? And then it automatically pulls in the weights and dimensions if they are present on the page. So in this case they weren't, so I'm going to guesstimate that this probably costs about a pound, or takes about a pound to ship. And then as you can see here, it will automatically calculate all of the fees for you. So you have the WFS fees, and if you don't want to use those, you can just turn that off, right? If you're actually going to be shipping it, you can just put in your fulfillment amount, your storage, your shipping, and then we'll go ahead and I'll turn that back on because I'm showing the WFS as well. With WFS, obviously Walmart charges differently based on how long your items are in storage, and so we have that calculator here as well, so that you can slide that based on the average amount of months you think it'll take you to sell. So I'll go ahead and set that to 2 months, and then the category here, sometimes it'll auto-populate. By the time you watch this video, probably most of these will be auto-populating, but if for some reason it's not, after you visited one page, give us a day or so, we should be able to have those auto-populate. Most of these will be auto-populated, and it'll change the percentage, that is the category fee, right, based on what is actually being put in here, right? So that's obviously super important. So for this, we'll just go ahead and select electronics, and then you have, if you want Walmart to do your prep or your item labeling, you can go ahead and turn these on. And then if your item is hazmat, you can turn that on as well, and it'll do all the calculations for you. Okay, and then if you have a third-party prep fee, so let's say your prep center charges you 85 cents to ship that in, and you guesstimate that your average is about 0.45, let's say 45 cents to ship per pound to ship in, right? It'll do all these calculations in here for you, which is pretty slick. So as you can see, the calculator works really, really well for both WFS and for seller fulfilled. And then just a couple of other things here. We have the UPC code showing on the front end here because it can be notoriously difficult to find. Our extension actually has more UPCs than just about every other extension. We've been able to find and accurately find the UPC codes for millions of items. And so you should normally see the UPC code. In some cases we won't have it because Walmart, we weren't able to get it, but oftentimes we do. We have the item ID as well, which is also the item ID that is here in the browser, just to make that easy for you. And then we have the net profit, of course, and then you can toggle this if you want to show your ROI or you want to show your margin. Okay, so that is how the tool works. We do have a pro version, which we call EC Seller Tools. It's only $15 a month, but it also gives you access to reviews, so you can see the the trends of reviews over the past time. It shows you all of the offer data. So if you can see here that there are 15 sellers, it will show you who these sellers are, their prices, how much they have in stock, all of that. It has estimated sales, which is fantastic, and by the time you watch this video, it'll probably also have estimated the sales history as well, right? The price history of the item. So that is the extension. As you can see, one last feature here, you can actually click and show it right here inside of the product details area, or you can show it on the right side or the left side, up to you. Powered by Ecom Circles. Just wanted to make that quick video. Hopefully this helps. We would love your feedback. If you use it and you love it, let us know, and look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks.